If I ask you, have you heard about India? You will say like,
अबे साले.
but if I ask you, what are those things which draw the attention of whole world towards India? You will say like, the unity among the diversity, the cultural heritage, and the curious history of the largest republic of the world. Yes, the cultural heritage and the curious history. Dear friends, in this segment, I am going to discuss about some historical, geographical, and cultural heritage of India. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get started. The South Asian nation India is surrounded by Pakistan on the west, Arabian Sea on the southwest, the Indian Ocean on the south, the Bay of Bengal on the southeast, Bangladesh and Myanmar on the east, China, Nepal, Bhutan on the north. It contains 28 states and 9 union territories, and approximately 1300 million of people of different religion, different culture and different languages lives in it with a pure brotherhood in their heart. "450 languages." Yes, approximately 450 languages. Approximately 450 languages has been used by the people in India. It's surprising, na? Yes, India believes in secularism, and the brotherhood on the scale of secularism can be defined by seeing the Hindus observing Ramadan and Iftar and the Muslims celebrating Holi and Diwali. By approximately 55,000 years ago, first modern human named Homo sapiens had arrived in India. Then they started cultivating on the bank of Ravi and Indus. Then they established the first civilization in India named the Indus Valley Civilization. You will definitely heard about the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilization in India. Yes, that's the civilization. And then in Vedic era, different civilization has been established in the different river bank of India. They choose river bank because water is essential for cultivating, and they get water for their cultivation from the river. Containing a huge amount of resources and magnificent architect, India is named as Sone ki Chidiya. Yes, the golden bird, by the different ruler come thief of the world. Emperors like Mahmud of Ghaznavi and Nadir Shah had attacked India only on the greed of resources. From the prehistoric period to the modern India, kingdoms like Maurya, Gupta, Pandya, Rathors, Slavs, Tughlaq, Mughal had ruled over India. After Mughal, the independence of India had been handed over to British East India Company. They had came India for trade, but they able to establish a territory by using the domestic politics. After 300 years of torture and suppress, India got her freedom on 15th August 1947 by the efforts of great sons of India like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. And we should feel proud of being the people of that nation which contains bravery of Maharana Pratap, fearlessness of Bhagat Singh, strength of Veer Maratha Shivaji, and diplomacy of Tipu Sultan. who have flagshipped the history of India in front of the world. From west to east, from south to north, India is full of cultural heritage. The Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu to the Bihu of Assam, the Biryani of Hyderabad to the Litti Chokha of Bihar, the Jagannath of Puri to the Kedarnath of Uttarakhand, the muscles power of Punjab to the memory power of Kerala, all has a separate fan base. If you are a true Indian, don't hesitate to share this. Let the whole world know about the history and beauty of India.